Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset the cache in the Slack application to fix loading glitches and speed up your workspace using the latest 2026 troubleshooting tools. Step 1. Locate the Help menu. To access the reset tools, you first need to find the main menu, which looks a bit different depending on your operating system. Click the hamburger menu, 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner of the app. If you're on Mac, you may need to look at the top of your entire screen in the global menu bar and click Help. This menu is the gateway to Slack's internal diagnostic tools. If your app is frozen and you can't click these buttons, you can also trigger a quick refresh by pressing Ctrl+R or Command+R, though this is less thorough than a full cache reset. Step 2. Access troubleshooting tools. Slack categorizes its repair features under a specific submenu designed for performance issues. Hover your mouse over Troubleshooting. A side menu will appear with several advanced options. This area is specifically built to handle stale data, old files or images that Slack has saved locally, which might now be corrupted and causing the app to lag or fail to sync messages. Step 3. Clear cache and restart. This final action executes the hard reset that clears out temporary files and forces the app to rebuild its local database. Select Clear Cache and Restart. Once you click this, Slack will take a few moments to purge the old data before relaunching on its own. When it reopens, you might notice that images or older messages take an extra second to load the first time. This is normal, as Slack is now downloading a fresh copy of everything from the cloud rather than relying on the old buggy cache. And that's pretty much it. To fix most Slack performance issues in 2026, go to help/troubleshooting/clear cache and restart. This clears out corrupted temporary files and forces the app to re-download fresh data, which usually resolves most syncing or loading errors instantly. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.